why the booby cups? Why? It's serving me very like 6-year-old dress up vibes. I don't think we can move any further without addressing these doily flaps. Hi guys. We already know what this video is. Welcome back to my second wedding and also the second episode in a trying wedding dress video, and also part 2 of renting really obnoxiously wedding themed filming spaces. Because just like, why not? Like, look at this space. Bitch, like, just look. Like, I'm getting married, obviously. I just need to preface that this video, I love being downtown. God damn it. I just want to preface that you need to buckle up, get a snack, and probably multiple beverages if you're of age, because these dresses are bad. Bitch, they're bad. Oh my god. I feel like in our last video, in the Amazon video, we had like some winners, we had some losers. Gonna be honest. Based on the dresses currently hanging on the rack to my left, I don't know if there's gonna be a winner in today's video. So I think we've got 6 or 7 dresses, and buckle the f up because this is welcome to episode 2, baby. Okay, dress number 1. This one comes in at $92, which is honestly offensive for how much plastic is truly on my body. It's assaulting my skin as to how scratchy this is. So I'm gonna pop a photo on screen for each of them as to what the expectation was or what I thought that I was getting. And now we can compare as to what I actually got. As we've learned in the last video, this is a really flattering fit for me. I feel like when it's tight, it cuts at the waistline and then kind of flows out. This is not the dress for me. This mosquito netting, you know what? She has traveled far, she has traveled wide, she has traveled long, but I don't know, you just can't steam this material to make it better. And so like, I don't know what you would do to fix this. I anticipated this being like a high-low type of fit, which is not personally my vision for my wedding dress far in the future, but I wanted to give it a try for science. So here is the top. Like, don't hate how much structure is in here. We've got some like boning, we've got like a little bit of lace, which is, you know, not great. It's kind of flopping over a little bit. And then let's back up, let's back up, let's back up, let's back up. Here is the high-low. I'll give you a 360. 360. Oh my god, bad. Is it really bad? I just don't know how you would fix this. Like, I genuinely don't know if you got this the day before your wedding, what you would do to fix this situation. A parasol moment. Oh my god. Maybe this is the best one in the video and we just haven't gotten, like, maybe it'll get progressively worse. I'm gonna clock in at a 6.5. That also might be a little generous, but based on the others that we have a little preview of while we were unpacking, shit's about to get worse. I'm not kidding when I say we just spent so much time trying to figure out which of the original photos that I like purchased the dress from this one was actually supposed to be, because it is so far off. And I don't think we can move any further without addressing these doily flaps that are on my body.
Well, they're in the back too.
Yeah, they're in the back? Yeah. Oh my god, I basically have doily little wings. That's so nice. These circle cups are absolutely sending me. Look at these. Like, this is the inside of a nice sports bra when they come with a little bit of padding. They're removable, maybe the inside of a bathing suit. What I will say, for $23, I get that we're asking a lot, but I just feel I think within that $23, we could have afforded maybe 1 or 2 more stitches to lay these down properly. And also too, like in the photo, she's like, her dress has very much got like the lace portion off the shoulder. This goes all the way up to my neck, and there's just like no possible world, because it's all the way up here, that this could go off the shoulder. The bottom is really not the worst. Like, I don't think this under-delivered for the price that I paid, but this top is hysterical. I can't. What are these? So this one missed the mark. I'm glad that I started with a 6.5 on the other one, because we've gone downhill. We've absolutely gone downhill for sure. I think a 3 champagne glasses would be generous, but let me back up. Let me give you the full 360 view. Brace yourselves, the full 360. Don't forget about my back flaps. I can't just, I have no words. I'm speechless. I think I'm speechless. Like, can it go downhill from here? Like, maybe this is rock bottom, we're only gonna go up. This might be the winner though for creativity of like kind of going and straying from the mold of what we thought the dress was gonna be. because this is an extra feature, a bonus. Just played another round of which dress is this supposed to be game. Okay, so $24, we figured it out. The marks have just been so missed. I had such high hopes of this video because I was like, oh my god, these dresses are absolutely stunning. So I feel like with the Amazon video, like we had some wins, we had some major wins. Let's go through the pros and the cons. The pros, I feel like the actual lace pattern of this portion is really not that off. I will say that I didn't get the booty that is in the advertisement photo, but that's okay. The back has like a nice little cut. It's not the same as in the photo, but the back is pretty cute regardless. Cons. The bodice is just completely off. Like, I don't even think we tried here. I don't think we tried. I don't actually hate this little detail here where it kind of splits and there's like little fasteners. I think it's actually pretty cute, but not at all what the photo shows. And this is why we had such an issue like identifying which dress it was, because they were supposed to be like this incredible mermaid situation. And we didn't quite nail it. We didn't quite make it. Didn't quite hit the mark on the mermaid tail. Backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. Here's the extent of the train of the back. We're missing about 3 feet of circumference of fabric. Actually, I'm not sure if that's like the proper measurement. I don't think it is. Maybe diameter, width, length. We're missing all of it is what I'm trying to say. And I'm pretty sad about it because I was excited to have like a mermaid moment. This is not as bad as the last one. I think we need to be fair here and say that this is maybe like a 5? Like a solid 5, I feel like. That feels right. I feel good with a 5. Welcome to my Party City tea party. I'm gonna be honest, I went into this one not entirely knowing, actually no, not knowing at all what the front was gonna look like. It really sold me on titling it Glitter Fairy because I would like to be a glitter fairy, and I think with the right Instagram filter I could be a glitter fairy. So the back really is like not that off based on the photo. They didn't even show a photo of the front. It's not bad. It's like not the worst. The front is not the most flattering and just overall it's serving me very like 6-year-old dress up vibes. Again, I'm being a little bit assaulted by like the scratchiness of whatever this is. I don't know, but it's very down. Stop. Whatever this is very abrasive. It's like tinsel. Honestly, not even as soft as tinsel. It's harder than tinsel for sure. $22 though. I just still feel like Forever 21 could do this better for $22. The other issue I'm having is that like I'm a very average sized human, about 5'4.5", 5'5", and I'm having like a flood situation at the bottom where the dress is kind of coming to like right above my ankles, and it's a little bit awkward. It's not good. It's not good, guys. It's not good. The bottom, I know. Just like my little like troll feet sticking out. It's just not flattering in any single way. I feel like this is one of the dresses that like my 5-year-old self would have been forced to wear to go to church on a Sunday, and I didn't want to be there, and I didn't like the dress that I was wearing, and that's kind of the vibe this is serving me. I just feel so lied to. I feel so misled. That hurts me a little bit. So maybe like a 4? I think a 4 feels right. I'm just waiting for us to have a really good one, and I'm really disappointed. I guess I'm not disappointed because I know it's more entertaining for all of you for when they're really bad and unenjoyable. But like enjoyable for you, but like not enjoyable for me, if that makes sense. Entertainment in my suffering. The bodices are really just missing the mark on this one. The only part of your boob that I feel like you really are interested in covering for the most part, like free the nip, but like at a wedding, you'd most likely want to cover your nipple. And this is the one spot on the dress that's like, hello, I am present. I'd like to order the chicken for dinner. Why? Why? Like you're already putting on some shitty lace. So it's like, why would you not just commit to it over the entire nipple area? I originally wanted this dress obviously in white, but they had a champagne color that looked not far off. So like kind of like a white, but like with a little bit of pink in it. And this is just fully just purple. Like this is just an entirely purple dress. So like what I will say is that the bottom portion is actually really cute. It's not the fabric and like the proper cinching and gathering that you can see like is really around this area. And for $22, like I feel like I can't ask for more than with this dress delivered, except with the exception of maybe having a little more nipple coverage. Also, this top area is just like too big in general, but I feel like with a little bit of booby tape, like nothing that can't be fixed. So let me show you how like actually cute the bottom portion is. Like this is pretty. This is pretty down here. Again, struggling, too large, like just too much fabric in general, but the back is cute. I will say the straps are made of basically surgical gauze. Like the gust of a wind could leave me with more than just a nipple hanging out. Oh, it definitely has a little bit of a train moment. Okay, a little extra. I don't hate that. I think for $22, although it's not even close to being any kind of wedding dress, like I don't think this is the worst. As a dress itself, like I'm not mad at it. For a wedding dress, just no. But for like a dress itself, maybe like a 5.56. Also, one of my favorite parts of the dress that like was a total add-on bonus are these little tiny rows of diamonds that they have right here. They're not in the photo, but like they just were like, here's a little extra pizzazz for you. What's going on with all the flappy things today? Like we're just really, I don't know. This is the second last dress. So far, if I had to pick a dress that I had to wear and I had no choice between like these 7 dresses, I think it might be this one. It's not great and it's missing a lot, but I think the best part of it is the bottom half, which I'll show you in a second. This was definitely supposed to have like boning in it. The entire bodice portion was supposed to have like some wire moments to give it some more structure. Again, we didn't really commit the lace on the top portion of the bodice. And I think also this seems like it goes like meh, meh, kind of, like not quite a V. This definitely isn't centered. I don't know what's going on here. But overall, it's not the worst. $27, it's really not the worst. Let me show you the best part because this is actually really cute on the bottom half. And this is not far off of what the picture promises. This amazing little leg moment cutout here. It's got like the lace detailing all down the side. It does look like Michael's trim was glued on that I could definitely do myself. But the rest of it, you know, like this is all one piece. It's lace across like the entire bottom portion. From far away, this is by no means a bad dress. It's really not bad. $27, I'm not mad at all. So I think maybe like a 7.5. I think a 7.5 feels right, feels solid, feels fair. Missed opportunity for this top portion to really be nice, but the bottom half, nailed it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand finale. Gotta be honest, I had to jump around a few times. My butt almost did not fit in this dress, but baby, we are locked in. So with a similar theme that we're noticing is that the booby cup edition is not great and it's kind of ruining it. And like wait till you see the bottom because the bottom is actually kind of stunning. But like, why the booby cups? Why? I almost would just rather them do like more lace and then I could wear like those little ones that are like the size of a nipple that just go on top. Like I'd almost rather just do that. This had so much potential. This is a really cute cut here. The shoulders are cute. The lace is cute. It cuts down to like here. Oh my God, this is impossible to walk in. I think this actually might be like a true mermaid because it goes all the way down to here to like mid-thigh and then cuts out. Ugh, train moment. Ooh, bitch, that fell exactly how I wanted it to. This has major potential. This is absolutely not a shape of a dress that I would ever wear because there's no world where this dress would allow for any level of bloating between eating and drinking. So like, not for me. But for the sake of the video, this is a good dress. Like you know that this photo is gonna be posted on Instagram and again, gonna like make all the comments go crazy, but like whatever, we live for a little drama. But like, it's gonna photograph great. Booby cups are just like really hurting the score overall. What I will say that I think is hilarious, but also as someone who doesn't really f with doing buttons up, I kind of appreciate there's an entire row of buttons on the back that are just for show. And there's not even like the latch side of the button on the other side. It's just like a row of literally buttons next to a zipper. I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I feel good about this. I don't feel good in this dress at all, not the slightest. But I feel good about 85% of this dress. Like this train is amazing. Also super important. This one was literally 10 times more expensive, maybe 8 times more expensive than all the other dresses. So it will score higher. But this dress I think was $197, which is still honestly a pretty incredible dress for under $200. But I think I have to give it a 9. The booby cups, I don't understand why. But the bottom, 75%, 85%. It's cute. I think considering what else we've seen today, a 9 feels right. All right guys, so I am going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for going on this wedding dress journey with me for another episode. Let me know if there are other websites that I should try shopping. I'm glad that I can be the guinea pig for all of you, all of my brides-to-be, because this has been so much fun. I was able to return/donate a bunch of the Amazon dresses, and I don't know what the return policy is with Wish. So if you see any of these dresses hanging at your local donation thrift stores, get excited because they'll all just be donated to someone who needs a wedding dress. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next Sunday for another video. Bye guys. Okay, let's see if I can get out of this thing. Genuinely, like, I might just have to go home and like get in my car and like cut myself out of this dress because I'm not even a big booty hoe, but like, I don't know if my booty's gonna come out of this.